I'm so big and you're so small?
I don't know. I have no idea.
His magic box, I guess.
Maybe.
Favourite bit of the brain?
You snooze, you lose. Come on, Gracie.
Wait for me! Gracie, what is going on? Ronks is tiny. Have you shrunk them? Actually, it's just an illusion. Now, what's going on is that the way the box is arranged makes it look like Ronks is inside the box, but actually, they're just a bit further away. Amazing! But I tell you what, you're going to really love my favourite bit of Chris's brain. Come on, everyone!
No! Oh, fine.